Minister Thongam Biswas refutes allegations of funds misappropriation by Works and Power Department, holds finance officials accountable for financial overdraft issue. Health Minister Jayant Kumar Lambas, Principal Secretary Finance for failing to warn Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister on current financial crisis. CPI Manipur terms BJP-led state government looter of public resources, demanded immediate suspension of the government and probe into overdraft issue. Forest Minister Thonnaujam Shyamkumar encourages people of hills to replace practice of jhum cultivation and deforestation with bamboo cultivation. And 7 crore rupees worth Kumantlampak artificial turf ground constructed under the aegis of FIFA lies in deplorable condition. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Kangusam Shalera with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Minister Thongam Biswas, who has been recently stripped of the Works and Power portfolios, refuted allegations of funds misappropriation by the Works and Power Department. He held the top officials of the Finance Department accountable for current financial overdraft situation of the state. Minister Biswas also clarified that he did not stake a claim to become the state's chief minister. Speaking to media at Chief Minister's quarter in Sandantong today, Minister Thongam Biswas stated that Power and Works Department never misused funds above the stipulated budget since 2016-2017. He maintained that as a concerned minister of both the departments, he kept strict vigils and in fact managed to save some funds. Minister Biswas even claimed that he has relevant financial statement documents to prove the same and presented the same to media person during the press meet. The minister also welcomed any inquiry into the current overdraft issue by the recently formed government committee. He asserted that the inquiry will in fact expose the transparency and public accountability maintained by the department. Clarifying on release of funds during imposition of the Election Code of Conduct, Biswas stated that the Code of Conduct allows sanction of funds for ongoing works but prohibits one for new projects. Minister Thongam Biswas also reminded that financial overdraft issue occurred even during the previous government. He maintained just one or two departments cannot be held responsible for such an issue. He lambasted the top officials of the Finance Department for not taking necessary precautionary measures to avoid the current overdraft situation. Minister Biswas also termed the recent media reports of him resigning from ministership as false news.
Overdraft an alarming situation for the last 46 days. For the last 46 days, not for the last 7 days. Natte. Finance ki secretary in charge puri base man kari kana the brief tor kana shi lege hai base kana da haige. It should be the purely responsibility of the bureaucrat. Manung sida thoi ba kari sel si kari no natraga kari woina chatnari bano hai ba ki si naina bi da ba khangna ba chu hona bi dana mi ani khaki photo puthoga yamna hairabani yamna singabani haidana political analysis to buse masi chunggadaba mande mas aigi photo puthoka na aina CM pambagi power tapa hungry oibaginena I never asked to become CM. I always sacrifice matik chare hadan pirakpado adu I warmly welcome tawgibani adu I satisfy oinaba to the best of the people of the Manipur adu ga khoi chondaraba adu sotharaba mi singi damakta khoi ngasi bo pharaga takpani khoi ngasi tawgani aingonda pire tawgani pidre aingonda madrida khoina sarkar da karigumba makhal amtagi khoina react tawgadabagi wafam laiti.
Health Minister Jayant Kumar Lambas, Principal Secretary of the Finance Department, for failing to apprise the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister beforehand regarding the financial discrepancy which led to the financial overdraft of 274.48 crore rupees of the state government. Speaking to media on the sidelines of World Blood Donor Day observance at Janims Hospital today, Minister Jayant Kumar termed the current financial overdraft situation of the state as unfortunate. Stating that such issue occurred even during the previous government, the minister stated that there might have been some misappropriation. The minister, however, expressed disagreement with regards to ministry reshuffle due to the situation, asserting that bureaucrats are the veins of governance. Minister Jayantikumar appointed Principal Secretary of the Finance Department is the only authorized person who should have reported possible occurrence of such an alarming situation beforehand to ministers, especially to the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister. He blamed the recklessness of the Finance Principal Secretary for the rift created among ministers in the wake of the prevailing financial situation. Meanwhile, it is also reported that National People's Party has decided to take necessary actions after apprising NPP President Conrad Sama regarding stripping of finance portfolio from Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar.
So he is the only authorized person, technical person, and the Chief Minister, the brief to know what means money at the mother of the mouth, calculated. He come to my office station. And when at the mind of the Montana, Chief Minister, the depreciation, but we don't have that. So it is the what is it, lady films, so unfortunate that but the Mormon government, by me, come with mother, machine had the mistrust, misunderstanding, and now misunderstanding.
Terming the BJP-led state government looter of public resources, Communist Party of India CPI Manipur demanded immediate suspension of the present BJP government and proved into the overdraft crisis. Speaking to media at CPI office in Irawat Bhavan today, CPI State Secretary Laisram Sotin Kumar expressed astonishment over release of funds during Christian imposition of the election code of conduct. He further pointed out undoubted involvement of Chief Minister Nongthombam Birent in the issue as the Chief Minister's approval is required to release funds amounting over 2 crore rupees.
Adum election gi code of conduct ki manungda lupa crore cha kaya pesa kai thomba madugi khudong chaba mayam loramba Chief Minister na Finance Minister Works Minister mogi portfolio sato kanda inquiry tori ga habese masina ngasigi yam sathiba overdraft ki crisis adugo loirana moi manungi adumba lanthum lut tobu changsel eiba port masida oireba pyom kya singse masai goi party communist party in hainingi inquiry to gudab sikana iba taktana lupa crore ani dagi helabadi Chief Minister gi ayaba yaudana paisa amata kaibi yadi haibase finance gi portfolio paramba Deputy Chief Minister na yana phone haide miyam khangbirabani leipa asigi hujik tariba overdraft ase chauna lechen rangadaba se Chief Minister ji su amo soidro oigani.
A Komplub Kanglei Park in a press release stated that failures of policies of the state government led to the current financial overdraft situation. The press release further asserted that mindless announcement of various policy programs by the government just to please people in different places shows its lack of financial accountability and future planning. MLA D. Koruntang stated that inefficiency of the present government in coming up with policy programs will thwart development projects and take away trust of the public. He was speaking in the inaugural function of Pu Solimbaiti Hold of Langki Choi Bank in Mori Ward No. 9, organized jointly by Vaifei People's Council and Jilai Technopole District today. Koruntang mocked that Manipur is facing financial overdraft turmoil despite assurance given by the government that there will be no financial crunch when NDA government rules at the center. He also stressed the need for proper communication among MLAs while initiating policy programs to prevent such chaos.
Elected members say, political crisis unrest stable development stable peacefully development.
Meanwhile, Manipur Electricity Employees Union in a press release urged the government to release the salary of MSPCL and MSPTCL deputation workers under state government's power department for the month of March, April and May. The union warned of hesitation if their demands are not met. Forest and Environment Minister Tonawjam Shyamkumar encouraged people of hill districts to replace the practice of jhum cultivation and deforestation with bamboo cultivation. He was speaking in the one-day workshop on bamboo resource and product development organized by National Bamboo Mission, Manipur at City Convention Center, Palace Compound today. Minister Shyamkumar said that the fertile land of Manipur is suitable for bamboo cultivation and that it has boosted farmers' income. He mentioned that bamboo barrens of the state is much in demand and further mentioned that the government has exempted tax on bamboo. Many people from hills and valley regions of the state attended the workshop.
Manipur da thariba koi makhan variety myam sin koi indigenous holi variety se mahan banata replace to sisu hon ba so makhal ki variety koi economical way ba yan profitable way ba variety myam do thar ka da di koi ngasi di koi Manipur ji sing the zoom cultivation to riba pamlo ri myam sing asi wa thar ga wa dur gi hena pamlo u bu da ga wa tha bu ga ani si benefit kana na phang ge ba do but patana awareness training si da workshop si da masi make sure
Forest and Environment Minister Tonawjam Shyamkumar inaugurated a newly constructed administrative block of Ras Medicity, North AOC today. Speaking in the inaugurated event, Minister Shyamkumar lauded Ras Medicity for all its contribution in saving precious lives. He further appealed to continue serving people with innovative and advanced technologies.
Ras Medicity is new service, human service, new war maybe Pusikan, maybe Silver, King the Ivan. It's also what we're getting over. Inaku, but line of Amadi Kana, Rota, Tidan, Samanana. This Namka, Samana Piki, the home talk, maybe human service to Togolina. Doctors, ma'am, nurse, ma'am, Amadi staff, ma'am. I can't make it. Day and night, service to City, Manipur, Bazaar. The Shinkayama, with Mamma Pusika, Katrina City, music service.
All Manipur United Club Organization Amuko observed the 18th protest day against the DVC policy of the Government of India at Kwakatel today. Amuko appealed to set aside communal differences and stand united for the state of Manipur. Speaking to media, President of the Amuko, PH Deban, stated that Amuko will face any challenges threatening the territorial integrity of the state. The organization has been observing the day against the Bangkok Declaration of June 14, 2001, including the clause without territorial limit signed between the Government of India and NACN-IM in Bangkok, threatening the territorial integrity of Manipur.
Bangkok Declaration adugumba June gi tang taraga marigi adugumba khuyek pinakhibido India government na karisu leitana Manipur miyam je kaisu tawroi nomaina namdhagani army na namdhagani sipai mayam thajalagan naikhaigani khanbadu miyam singi asawbuduna phudoraganda tangoi onke aduna hojiksu aikhoi Manipur gi integrity da territory da singnaba leptre aikhoi da threat tawba leptre hojik loisendri wari kayama sari su tawraga wari saba adagi di peace talk haiba tongan mawong da wari sanari ba wari singche yamna shanti oiba miyoiba amagi yamna phangbam thokpa right sing mayam sing ado phanghalaganda adugumba amaga saunadaba mawongda warosin porakpadudi aikoina taramna okchai adu nattabida aikoigi miyam singi wa tadabida Bharat ki policy khaktangda yengma mityengda waroisin porakani haidana miyam singi apamba singje khandana tawrakpa targadi madugi mayokta Amuko amasung miyamna chap chana lepkani haibase hamjari.
A man from Manipur traveling on a Guwahati to Imphal-bound passenger bus was injured from attacks by suspected NACN-IM cadres in the wee hours of June 13 at Rangapahar in Nagaland. The injured person is identified as 29-year-old M. Maiken Kumant, son of late Tombisana, from Nomebung Ayangpali Road of the Imphal East. Victim Maiken works as an LDC at Manipur Bhavan in Guwahati. Speaking to media, Maiken stated that he was on his way to Imphal along with his wife to appear in an exam when unknown miscreants pelted stones on the bus as they reached Rangapahar. He said that the bus driver told the passengers that the area was under the jurisdiction of the NACN-IM and sped from the site. Maiken said that after about 30 minutes of drive, he got first aid treatment in a nearby hospital and continued their journey. He said that he got further treatment at Caesar Hospital upon reaching Imphal. Maiken urged the government and the relevant authorities to look into the matter as passengers traveling on the road often face immense inconveniences.
ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯈꯪꯍꯧꯗꯅ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯊꯣꯡꯅꯥꯎꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯁꯨꯝ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯄꯥꯟꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯂꯦꯛꯊꯕꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯕꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯋꯥꯁꯦ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯉꯥꯡꯕ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ 이제 오로로로 따라가 좀 어디 어디 어떤 데는 뭐야 엄저라 이토이 따라가 좀 어디 아이 와이프 좀 갑다나 거다나 따라가 야 먼저 허글래야 되디 마탕 동나라가 좀 못행 제 방나 키해 따래 아이나 하이저는 이제 하이버 덕독제 하나 좀 망지 꺄ම් 톡이요 덕독 없나 그래 이사막도 땡나래 이 마통다 좀 사좀 톡이네 갈래 아두나 간선어도 티 머리 레나 싱나 야 그래 지금 이렇게 땅 프리벤트 동나 봐 에네 가 하이저는 이거 싱나 어제 뭐야 좀 하이나 돼 아두기 자가도 얘네 제마에 양간 넘 험네 나이네 거 아도 아이나 저도 막내는 간제
Proscribed Kangli Park Communist Party People's War Group in a press release refuted the claim of recovery of the outfits, armaments and combat uniforms by a combined team of the NIA, 6 Assam Rifles and Imphal East Commando from various locations of Lamlai, Kumbi Helok and Ngaroching in Imphal East yesterday, acting on a tip-off by KCP PWG Chairman Paikomba Meite. The press release clarified that there is no connection between the arms recovery and the outfit. It also clarified that Paikomba was never a chairman of the group. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news and exclusive report on the deplorable condition of Kumantlampak artificial turf ground. Keep watching Impact News. We'll come back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Rupees 7 crore worth artificial turf ground constructed at Kumantlampak route ground by AIFF under FIFA lies in a deplorable condition. The artificial is wearing out even before the completion of the ongoing construction of the stadium gallery worth over 10 crore rupees. An exclusive report in this regard from Impact News reporter Elangba Mushuk and camera person Sapam Henry.
Manipur is one of the leading states of India in football sport. The state has produced many footballers of international level. Acknowledging the football potential of the state, FIFA sanctioned the construction of an artificial turf ground at Kumantlampak Rao Ground under Win India project in 2009. Subsequently, the first artificial turf of Manipur was inaugurated on January 31st, 2013.
FIFA na Win India na project amagi makada League Limonta Sports na farm amale aduga agreement inaraga Limonta Sports highway League farm sige branch se akoi ge India da Sincos International na Mumbai ge sina tawi.
All Manipur Football Association AMFA was entrusted with the responsibility to look after the artificial turf ground. Construction of a gallery worth over 10 crore rupees at the ground also began under the State Youth Affairs and Sports Department in 2014. However, it remains to be completed till date.
MDS ki makada thabak suki paisa si khusu mansi thikadar da mapung phana pibi dabadagi hairi thabak si loisandana hairi thikadar aduna lepthokre madugi matungda MDS tagi lokthokraga Youth Affairs and Sports ki makada asiguma thabak sing si chathabagi program sing si paikhalakpani adubu Sports Department gi sidagi su paisa se thada biraktabana maram moidana nahan makai amuk khara saba hogalamlaba sigumba loidriba suruk sing asi amuk lepkhre.
The durability of an artificial turf is 10 years, extending up to 15 years with extra care. But unfortunately for Manipur, the turf ground lies in a deplorable condition in its 6th year itself.
Mafam si noong hek chubu matamda tapki ground si maksi ising thomi.
Phila si hojikti phim si am soe amani kenoda fazana maintain tawrugadi sahi 3 chakane habne adubu hojik maintain tawdabina sahi 10 ban chakadra khangde.
Never-ending construction of the gallery litters the ground. The road leading to the ground is also in a pathetic condition, disheartening footballers of the state.
Akoina mapanda then chetliba outside chetliba mayam se for example game ama lakpa matamda migi state ta chetlaga tawdu shorokpudi akoi gi su lowba yai habagi facility do adu yam chawna phangani hana khale adu.
AMFA charges money for utilizing the turf ground for holding events or tournaments. However, utilization of the funds collected for maintenance work of the ground is not seen till date. FIFA-trained groundsman employed to brush the pitch is also allegedly deprived of his monthly allowance by AMFA. Hence, the turf brushing equipment lies unused at his residence.
Masigi ground si tonganba khoi football player sing team sing na wai matamda moi gi fee lowi adubu maintenance si masi yam phajan tawde
field asisu segai ba mayam yaukre aina su phot khiba mayam phot kre hojik su awang thang saruk se segai ra lei masi phote masi photri maram masi kai gino haibu magi phot na gam madu leitabana maram murga hojik phot tabane.
Meanwhile, Director of Youth Affairs and Sports Department stated that the gallery could not be completed due to financial crunch of the state government. He assured that it will be completed in near future.
Component yam lei ekoi loiba ngamdaba pesa khra ekoi 8449 have a government gi deposit su lei huzik phoba withdraw to ngamdaba haiba tare issue khra leibadigi aduga state ki resource khra pesa wat padigi ekoi lokthokpa ngamdaduna thabak lepkiba khra lei so matek loinaba ekoi kanna honajage.
It would be prudent for the relevant department to complete the construction of the gallery and to maintain the artificial turf ground to facilitate footballers of the state. This is Joyce Rusham for Impact News reporter Ilangba Mushuk and camera person Sapam Henry. Impact News.
Bisnupur BJP Election Campaign Committee organized a warm reception ceremony for Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan at Ningthokong Public Park today. MLA Oinam Kam Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board, L. Radhakishore, Chief Spokesperson of BJP Manipur Pradesh, S. Tikendra, committee members and many people in the area attended the event. Speaking in the event, MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan assured that he will act in the interest of the people and try his best to promote peace and progress in the state. He asserted that Naga community of Manipur no longer desires to detach themselves from the state because of the equal development platform given by the existing government. Blaming the previous government for not providing equal treatment to Naga community, Dr. R.K. Ranjan mentioned that there now exists communal harmony among hills and valley inhabitants under the present government.
Manglam sabta leramba adugumba political party adugi sasan aduna Manipur Praja ki apamba khangdaba laibak asigi sabsaba gam khai khangdaba laiminari basingwi tamigi yelong wedi lerpa adugi nungsi mari edo ugidaba khangba ngumkidaba adugumba aduna thohan kiba adugumba Manipur ki nungaitaba sahi singaso Bharatiya Janata na panba matam asidadi adugumba do amuhana thoktanaba aikoi punamona hodamisi.
Director of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Services Manipur, Dr. H. Chauba, has assured to approach the government and relevant authority to open a veterinary dispensary at Oinam Hill Village in Karong constituency of Senapati district. He gave the assurance while attending the one-day awareness program on artificial insemination AI at Oinam Hill Village today. Dr. Boni Bernat and Dr. C.H. Isau Mao gave resourceful insights on how to carry out artificial insemination in the program.
Sanji macha ammo moina poonge suyare ko kitang ditangi dozam da lisingam sanga lisingam samri lisingam sahungum bata koi pisa loro department ko na kapada akoi gi leiriba koi sanse san amom si da asigi cement mapande pusilai ba sangom yap tokpo cement si koi na kapa kanda masa si oira kanda mamagi I tangkai miarni mapagi I tangkai miarni aduna sangom liter amaga ama makai thoomba koi gi sanse liter kun tholukpe kuntra tholukpe adugi macha kapagi thabukse koi sida leiriba san sing sida koi kapaga macha se putoksi sangom ja koi yamaru oi sangom charga koi hakchang phadoini isa isu leiri lesu phadoini na de yekta ba yam aphaba haibadu society amada koi isa yu phana leibada sangomgi darkar leibadu sange.
All India Youth Federation held the 91st birth anniversary observance of Marxist revolutionary leader Che Guevara at Irawan Bhavan today. Secretariat member of CPI Dr. M. Nara, Secretary of CPI Manipur State Council L. Sotin Kumar and President of the All India Youth Federation M. Samozit were present in the event. 11th led Kanguzam Mohori Singh Memorial Meritorious Students Prize Distribution Ceremony 2019 was held today to felicitate students of Suknu constituency who secured 70% and above, including toppers in Class 12 examination 2019 conducted by COSEMT and CBSE. The felicitation ceremony held at Chingdom Community Hall in Suknu Bazar was dedicated to MLA K. Ranjit's late father Kanguzam Mohori Singh. Speaking in the event, Sungnu MLA Kanguzam Ranjit announced to provide allowance of 3,000 rupees per month each to first position holder in art stream of COSEMT Class 12 Examination 2019 Oinam Berlin Meitei and 14th position holder in science stream of COSEMT Class 12 Examination 2019 Thongam Toitoiba Meitei until they complete their graduation. Altogether, 118 meritorious students of Suknu constituency were felicitated with cash award and certificates in the event. President of Development Committee Suknu, A. Manihalt, Chairperson of Suknu Municipal Council, M. Sarat, President of Suknu Block Congress Committee, K.H. Nimaichan, and many people in the area attended the event.
July tang 1 lagi tang manga haugi manungda Berlin gisu khoi gisu graduation tambal loidri bhawa lupa lising ahum ai account gi ai torok gi bigani suguru kendra sahi manga tara ai budai sahi manga tara sigi manung da lai bu train se masu oiragadi ai khoi Manipur da lairi bu toman ba kendra humfu suguru kendra yauraga hai bu kendra sing asidagi lairi Sugi Maramda, Sugunu Kendra se, Manta Padre,
Chairman of Rosmine Educational and Charitable Trust, Patna, has announced scholarship for students of Manipur who have passed Class 12 examination 2019. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Chairman of the Trust, Awais Amber, stated that the Trust has provided scholarship to numerous students across the country. He asserted that the scholarship will be provided to students who secured 50% and above in Class 12 examination 2019 for the first time in the state. He urged all the interested students to attend a counseling program to be held at Aryan Theatre in Wahingbam Laikai on June 15 at 10 a.m.
Rosmine Educational and Charitable Trust has a mission to give education free for all, not on the basis of caste, on religion, on the basis of place. It should be free for all. If you are Indian, if you'll see, you will go America, you will go UK, anywhere in the world, the education is free there.
Manipur joined the rest of the world in observing World Blood Donors Day today. National Health Mission Manipur, Manipur State AIDS Control Society, and Blood Bank and Transfusion Unit, Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, JNIMS, jointly held observance at the auditorium of JNIMS Hospital. Health Minister L.J. Tukma Mission Director of the National Health Mission Manipur, Dr. S. Manikanta, Director of JNIMS Hospital, Professor T.H. Bimo, Project Director of Max A. Radhabinot, and many eminent persons attended the event. Speaking on the sidelines, Health Minister L.J. Tukma stressed on the significance of blood for survival. He called upon everyone to donate blood voluntarily to save lives.
We say, then how important this blood is, how important it is. Every community must worry the Alamana, Hybida, Yamushivada, Munna Kaluragadigo. E Matum the Chown, in Nanang saying, I wise of it and down with him. And then Akupatum, it shows that Aku say, E. Sika, head poke put the Gina. Because E is a Hingi Hypertarget E. C. That number Tanavi Yato, Makalgi, Portam Oil. Blood is quite indispensable.
Regional Institute of Medical Sciences Blood Donor Community also held World Blood Donor Day observance at RIMS OPD Complex today. 123 RIMS staff donated blood on the occasion. Doctors of Manipur also joined in observing Nationwide Protest Day on Violence Against Doctors today. Indian Medical Association, IMA Manipur State Branch organized observance demanding implementation of national law against hospital violence law at various private and government hospitals across the state, including RIMS, JNIMS, Caesar hospitals. Lamlai Police Station and Rehabilitation Center Porampot jointly held an awareness program on alcohol and drug abuse at Leishemba Mahikot and Chingarel Tesbur of the Imphal East today. OC of Lamlai Police Station, Hungyo Yurikant, and founder of Rehabilitation Center Porampot, Naurem Buddha, spoke as resource person in the event. Income Tax Officer TDS Imphal organized one-day seminar on tax deducted at source TDS under the supervision of Joint Commissioner of Tax TDS Silong at DRDA Hall in Chandel DC Complex today. Speaking in the event, Deputy Commissioner of Chandel Krishna Kumar appealed to inculcate the habit of paying income tax. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Minister Thongam Biswajit refutes allegations of funds misappropriation by Works and Power Department, holds finance officials accountable for financial overdraft issue. Health Minister Jayantikumar Lambas Principal Secretary Finance for failing to warn Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister on current financial crisis. CPI Manipur terms BJP-led state government looter out public resources, demanded immediate suspension of the government and brought into overdraft issue. Forest Minister Thongnawjam Shyamkumar encourages people of hills to replace practice of jhum cultivation and deforestation with bamboo cultivation. And 7 crore rupees worth Kumantlampang artificial turf ground constructed under the aegis of FIFA lies in deplorable condition.